Did you know that 95% of affiliate marketers quit and 7 out of 10 earn nothing? A big problem in the world of affiliate marketing is that you choose products that pay you 200 to 300 rupees in commissions. So, if your goal is to make, let's say, 50,000 rupees per month, you'd have to make about 250 sales per month. And believe me, it takes a lot of effort and hard work. So, when you realize that generating 250 sales a month takes a lot of effort and hard work, you eventually quit. So, to help you, I will share a product that pays you a commission of $100 per sale. Yes, $100 per sale. So, if you want to know what that product is, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on updates from me. Okay, so hi, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach, and in this video, as I said, I will share a product that pays you a commission of $100 per sale. Okay, so first I will tell you what that product is, and then we'll see the process of signing up as an affiliate. Okay, so let's jump in. Perfect. So the product is WPX Hosting. So WPX Hosting was founded in 2013, and it was founded by Terry Kyle and Georgy Petrov. And if I talk about the benefits of WPX hosting, look, so WPX hosting, from the name, you would have guessed that it is a hosting platform. So I'll share a few benefits of WPX hosting. Okay. The first benefit is it has excellent hosting. Through WPX hosting, your website will load super fast. It is super secure, and WPX hosting is a super reliable hosting platform. Then it provides free site migration. So whatever plan you choose, they will provide you free site migration. Okay. Then it has free malware scanning and removal. So if WPX hosting finds that there are malware in your system, in your website, it will scan and remove it. Okay. And it will provide you free SSL certificate. So secured socket layer, you would have seen there are websites that have HTTPS in their domain or URL. So this S, which makes the website secure, in simple words, is through SSL certificate. Okay, so if you want to make your site more secure, you need SSL certificate, and WPX hosting gives you SSL certificate for free. Then it has a wide network, and it is available in 25 global locations. So WPX hosting has a content delivery network. It calls it XDN, and it is available in 25 global locations. So let's say if you host your website and a server is in London. So if somebody opens your website in the United Kingdom, it will open super fast because of their XDN being in London. Okay. And if you are an affiliate, the greatest news for you, it pays very generous commissions, a commission of $100 per sale. Okay, so if you don't believe it, I will open my browser and show that what I'm saying is absolutely right. Okay, to go to WPX hosting, type shubhamjeetkumar.com/WPX hosting. I've also placed the link in the description box. This is my affiliate link. So click the link and follow the steps that I'm about to share. Okay, so to become an affiliate of WPX hosting, click on affiliate, and if I scroll down, one sale in one calendar month, $100, 5 sales, $500, 10 sales, $1,000, 200 sales, $20,000. So if you sell WPX hosting only once, you will get $100 for that sale. Okay, so to sign up on WPX hosting as an affiliate, scroll down and click start earning. Okay, so once you click start earning, you will come to this sign up or affiliate application. Enter your first name, last name, email address, correct phone number, country, state, city, address, account type. Account type can be personal if you are an individual affiliate, or if you are an affiliate of some organization, you can select organization. Then enter your password, check this checkbox, this terms and conditions checkbox, and click continue. So I'll enter my details and let's become WPX affiliates. Okay, so for password, you will need to enter one uppercase character then letters, one special character. You can have at the rate, hash, dollar, anything, and then at least one number. Okay, so if you have entered anything, check this terms and conditions checkbox and click continue. Okay, if you want to read, you can read this, but for the sake of time, I'll just scroll down and click accept. Okay, affiliate profile information, your website URL. Uh, I've told you many times, for affiliate marketing, you must have a website. If you don't, please create one. So here I'll enter the URL of my website. Category is blog. It is my blog. Promo method is content writing. If you have a YouTube video, you can enter the URL of your YouTube video. Category would be blog, vlog, or you can have courses, trainings, whatever suits your need, whatever niche you are in. Promo method is content writing, social media, email marketing, or if you have a YouTube channel, click YouTube videos. Okay, so I'll select content writing because I promote many of my products through my website. If you want to add more details, click add more. Add another website. This could be a social media handle or your probably Facebook account or your podcast link. Okay, I'll add my website and click continue. Okay, social media link. I have my social media account. So my social media is instagram.com/affiliate_marketer_sk. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram. Do you have anything else you'd like to share or ask about? If you want, you can ask any questions. If you have any questions, if you want to clarify some doubts, you can ask. If you want, okay, if you do not have a website, you can ask if it is okay if I create content on my social media platform or on podcasts. Okay, I don't think I have any doubts, so I'll click continue. Perfect. Thank you for submitting your application. Your application will be carefully reviewed by our affiliate team. That's it. So once you submit the application, they will review your application, and once it is approved, you will get an approval email on the email that you entered. Okay, so since affiliate application approval will take some time, I've logged into an account where I'm already an affiliate of WPX Hosting. So I've logged into that account, and when you get approval to find your affiliate link, click my account and then affiliate hub. So when you come to affiliate hub, this will be your affiliate link, wpx.net/?AFFID equals to whatever number you have, a 4-digit number. This will be your affiliate link. Okay, so this is done. You became a WPX hosting affiliate. Now the next steps for you are: number one, get your affiliate link. Once your application is approved, get your affiliate link by clicking affiliate hub and then getting your affiliate link. Then create valuable content. I've already created a video on how to create valuable content for your affiliate product. I'll place it in the I button, so you can click the link and see the process. Okay, once you create content, the next step is to promote that content to your audience. After promoting, you will generate traffic, and according to me, the best way is to conduct webinars. Okay, through webinars you can address many people in the same time frame or at the same time. Okay, and after generating traffic, once you sell, scale your business. So what I mean is, let's say you create content, you promote it to your audience, and you invite people to your webinar on WPX hosting. Okay, inside the webinar, let's say you make 3 sales, you'll make $300. So of those $300, you can invest, let's say, $150 in running ads. And when you run ads, more people will come to watch your webinar, more people will come to attend your webinar, and inside the webinar, the more sales you generate, the more you can invest in ads and the more you can scale. Okay, so now I want to ask you a question. Do you want to sell more from webinars? As I said, for me, webinars are the highest converting sales channel. Okay, so do you want to sell more from webinars? If yes, Have you tried webinars before? Have you tried conducting webinars before and found that webinar tools are extremely challenging and complex? If that's you, I want to invite you to my webinar by clicking the link in the description box and registering for my webinar, where I will share 3 secrets through which you can sell more from webinars. And towards the end of the webinar, I will share how you can set up your webinars in 30 to 35 minutes using a super simple webinar tool. And I will also tell you what to cover in each minute of your webinar for maximizing your sales. Okay, so click the link below and sign up for my webinar. So that's about this video. In this video, I shared and showed how you can become a WPX hosting affiliate, and I also shared what your next steps will be. So if you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.